Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker and welcome to a haul video. This is like, somebody had asked me whether or not I was going to buy a bunch of stuff at Hobby Lobby and I said I wasn't. There were certain things I had my eye on. If I got there and they were available on clearance, I'd get them. If not, I'll deal with it. That's my whole haul. And I didn't get anything that was on my list, really. So, I did get some stickers. I thought those would be cute on some little birthday cards and little summer festive cards. I've got a couple of paper pads that would match really well. This was just on sale, but I did get the Yarny washi tape that's over in the Yarnology section. They had everything over there in the Yarnology section for 50% off this week. I got, these are die cut stickers. And that's what they look like in the, but I thought those would be cute for some little scrapbook pages. I have some cat specific stuff. And then I got 3 balls of the cotton linen yarn. This is a US size or a medium size 4 yarn. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 180 yards, 165 meters, 80% cotton, 20% linen. And this is the color mauve. Mauve. So I got 3 of those. And I got 2 of the Peyton's Croy sock yarn. And this is 50s stripes. I really liked that yellow in there with the blue. And this is a size 1 yarn. These are 50 gram balls, 166 yards, 152 meters, 1.75 ounces. I did get in the spring summer sale section. They had some of the lidded storage containers I use down here and in the kitchen. So I did buy a set of those, but I didn't really think y'all were that interested in storage. Very pedestrian, normal storage. But I did also place an order over at Scrapbookcom. So they have been producing their own paper pads recently, and they have been producing some really cute things. And I'm sorry, it's wiggly. The recent bundle that they did after their live stream, they do a live stream bundle every week, or a live stream sale item every week, was for their new paper pad collection. So I did get 4 items in my order, which is kind of funny, but this just got here today, so I haven't even taken anything out of the cello wrap or anything else. So these are 6x8 paper pads. And I do have other of their specialty. These are just like solid color. These are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is the size, A2 size cards. But I actually reached for those quite a bit. And I was like, well, you know, I like the quality of these. They're designed. These have like designs. Kind of fun to play with. These were, they don't have prices on the invoice. I mean, for what you got, it wasn't a bad price. I thought it was a fair price at least. So the first one here is Peppermint, which is a Christmas themed pad. And they are double-sided. I love me a pink and green Christmas. One day I'm going to do a very retro Christmas theme and do a very pink and green. But I do have actually a solids pad that matches this already. I think there's another, yeah. So this one is called Christmas. And it's a pretty simple, that'll be very easy to use to make cards. I've got to come home to core things I'm wanting to make. This one is sherbet. Do this way. That way we can see both sides. Once again, that'll be easy. I can incorporate that into, that will go well with a lot of the Easter and St. Patrick's Day stuff that I have. And this last one is called Rainbow. And it's very similar to the sherbet, just kind of more saturated colors. And I think we got 2 more in here. Nope, 3 more in the other cello wrap section. So Scrapbookcom has been doing, make the noise first. Periodically throughout the year, Scrapbookcom does these really good deals where if you make any purchase, you can get certain items for free. So we do have some of that in here. So this is Playful, which I think this is also very similar to the sherbet, just a different tone. Yeah, just different tones. Then we have Boho, which once again is in that same pattern, different color. And this would definitely work with some of the fall. I've got some really cute, this is called Harvest. I've got some really cute fall papers that I really like. So I've got some Halloween-y to fall. Ooh. Oh, I love that. Love, love, love that. Yeah, it's going to be really hard to use up this paper pad. I mean, I've got a couple that I just keep dragging my feet using them because I really like the retro prints in them. But yeah, so this is their new collection. So that was 7 pads. 6 by 8. When I saw that, I was like, a lot of those coordinate stuff I already have. And I'm always looking for ginghams and dots and checks and things like that would work. And I really like the florals that are included in these. And I love the little heart print. So I thought that was worth the investment because it coordinates to so many things I already have that I'm trying to use that maybe I don't have as much solid appearing papers to work with. So I got, these are some alphas. And I'll just put these in with my scrapbooking alphas. But these came free. And also I got a free stamp set with this order. And I do love me a honeybee aesthetic. So, and I do like the Hero Art stamps quite a bit. But I ordered another set of the reverse tweezers because I use these all the time. And I will frequently misplace one set. And when I did my tools, I can't live without video back at the beginning of the year or end of last year, reverse tweezers were one of the things that were on my list. These were $3.99 at scrapbook.com. So anyway, I'm unaffiliated to both of these companies, but I did want to share what I got because they were so much fun to play with. I'm looking forward to playing with them. I have a tank top pattern that I think that cut at Lynn yarn will work for. So I'm very excited about that. But yeah, like the let's see. Let's see if I can hold on to my receipt. One of those, the cotton linen blend was $1.24 per skein. And the Peyton's Crow was $2.24 per skein. So we did really well with that. We had 2 for 74 cents in the paper crafts, 1 for $1.24. I'm showing a $5.49. Nothing in there should have been $5.49. And then we had the 2 spring sale containers. So yeah, like, I mean, all in all, I think it was like, I could be wrong, but it was $28 or $32 for the paper pads. The stamp and the alphas were free with my order, and then like $3.99 for the tweezers. So I haven't done a whole lot of shopping recently. A lot of the stuff I've been buying has been like one-off items here and there, like the Noro yarn. I bought a couple, but I haven't really been. I've been using a lot of what I have. So anyway, I'm very pleased with what I got. I'm very excited about what I got. These will definitely fit in with other projects and things I've been wanting to make. So, and the one thing that truly was just a spur of the moment purchase was actually the washi tape. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. Maybe some of this got your creative juices going. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of my little micro haul here. Anyway, you guys, take care. I love you, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. So as noted in Thursday's video, when I was at my stepson's wedding, I was able to find some more things at a Hobby Lobby in Columbia, South Carolina. So here we are showing you the rest of my Hobby Lobby haul. I did make it to the other Hobby Lobby that's kind of near me, but the one in Matthews really didn't have anything either. So they were more or less sold out of everything. Even in the home decor section, they really didn't have that much left. So, but I did find some of what I was looking for when I was in Columbia, which tells me once again, they're pretty far behind and doing their markdowns again, but that's fine. So I got, 4 of this yarn, and this is the authentic hand-dyed in the fingering weight, and this one is Techno Tribe. Totally my vibes. I was hoping to get 5. I only got 4. I am thinking about making a sweater out of this, but I do have the white version of this that was out last year, so I might see if I can grab some of that. I've got, oh, this one's going to be a little bit more difficult because I have 2 that are very similar in color here. So I think it's, let's see. I'm hoping I'm not wiggling the camera too much and giving you guys vertigo. Yep, I got these. Let's see. All right. I got 4 neon watermelons. This one is the hand-dyed Vivid Authentic. And this one is a size 3. And I think this one's still just the, yeah, this one's 100% superwash merino. So this is the bright pink that has a little bit, I don't know how well that shows up, that this part's orange and this part's pink. We'll set that right there. Then up next, I got 2 of the hand-dyed Vivid Lime and 2 of the hand-dyed Vivid Flamingos in Flight. So this one is a tonal pink that doesn't have any of the orange, but I got these 2 to go together. It's like sallow, bright and fluffy. So the pink, if I do anything that would go near my face or anything, the pink is the color that will come up near my face. Next up, I did find, like I said, I was really hoping to find 5 of one of these fingering weights, and I thought, well, I'll go ahead and get the 2 that I see. And if there's another one, I'll grab it. But this is the Ashen Mist in the Authentic Hand Dyed. And this is the fingering weight once again. This one is the Superwash, 100% Superwash Merino. This doesn't have any nylon in it. But I do love these colors. And of course I got downstairs and the doorbell rang, so I'm hoping my husband got that. And my last bag here, I was able to find 2 of these. So I'm going to put these away for next year's Spook Your Spring Make-Along. And that way these can go in the prize bag for that. But that is everything that I found at the other Hobby Lobby. I feel very grateful to have found what I did. I think I have almost enough with 4 of these to do a small sweater. Because that's 1,600 yards. Right, 400. Yeah. So these are 400 yards each. So that's 1,600 yards. I do have some of the white with speckles from last year. So if I want to maybe add a stripe or do like a high contrast collar and cuffs or something, I can do that. But this would be a short sleeve sweater. This wouldn't be like a full long sleeve sweater. But I've always wanted to do one in fingering weight. So I wanted a cheaper option. I don't mean cheap in quality. I mean cheap as in cost effective. A more cost effective, test it out. And it also gives me a chance to work with something a little bit more wild for my budget instead of taking a huge risk on some of the other yarns out there. So anyway, that is why this didn't go up on Tuesday as I had expected, is I didn't get a chance until today, which is Wednesday, to film this, to share. So this is now going up on Saturday. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. I still love you guys, and I still hope that you're having a fantastic week. So I will see you guys real soon. Take care. Love you guys.